got a Welsh manager, and of course you've just been in Swansea playing against Ash and Ben Davies and the like. So away from that now, this get together, the Iceland game. I mean, you must have seen the draw for the Euro qualifiers. What's your view on that? I mean, it seems to be quite an open group, and the 3 teams potentially qualifying gives you a great chance.
Yeah, I think so. You know, if you look at the group, it could have been maybe a little bit better, could have been a lot worse when you look at, you know, like Scotland's group and stuff like that. So yeah, I think we got a great chance. You know, I think now is the time for us to step up and show what we're all about. You know, we've got a great squad, a lot of good young players. You know, they're experienced players now. You know, another year on with the experience they've got from playing in the Premier League and stuff. So I don't see why not. You know, if we can keep a fit squad, and you know, I think it's important that we get off to a good start. If we can get good results in the first, you know, 2 games, I think that'll give us a lot of confidence, and you know, we can push on from that after that. So yeah, I think, you know, now is the time for us to step up and kind of show what we're all about, really.
I can remember your debut in a 0-0 draw, I think. Was it,
Czech Republic.
Yeah. And it seems years away now. You're one of the most experienced players in the squad. You know, to play in a European Championship final, I mean, that would be icing on the cake, wouldn't it? After so many near misses or disappointments, it would be a great opportunity for Wales to appear in a final, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'd be, you know, unbelievable for the, you know, for us as players, for the country as a whole. And I think this is probably one of the best opportunities we've had for a while. You know, we've come close before, and I think this is probably the best squad of players we've had, you know, for a few years. And as I said, with the experience now, everyone's getting the games. You know, all the players are playing in big games, and you know, we have got a young squad, but it's a lot of experience there. You know, these youngsters have played a lot of games already, so you know, we can't keep saying, you know, we've got a young squad and we're still learning. You know, I think we're ready now to show what we're about. So yeah, it's really exciting. You know, you look at the group, and if we can, as I say, if we can get off to a good start, then you know, there's no reason why we can't qualify for a major tournament. You know, it's been too long, really. So I think with the players we got now, there's no reason why we can't do it. So you know, if we got to make sure we're all focused, and you know, we work our hardest, give 100% every game, and we'll see where it takes us. Hopefully that'll be, you know, qualifying for a major tournament, which is what we all want to do. So.